my son. And they are fighting me to take away my son from me. Is it possible? I am going there to take my son. And no one will stop me. They will never stop me. What kind of rubbish is that?
Adolisa, come on! Hey, Michael! Oh! My love, I'm coming. Oh! Come here. What are you doing? You want to steal my grandson? Eh?
Steal who? He is my son. And nobody will stop me from coming to see him. And I'm going home with him today.
Who told you it's your son? Who told you it's your son? He is my child and my child alone. Simple. You're a very foolish man.
When you give birth to him, they are late. I'm very, very sure.
Come on, get out.
Hey.
See, no. Get out of here.
I am not going anywhere. You must kill me here today. I must go with this baby.
You're not ashamed of yourself. You want to be a father, but you cannot even afford to buy a pack of baby diaper or baby milk. Yes. He's my son. He's my son. You're very foolish. Foolish man.
If I didn't go home with him, you must kill me here today. You must kill me
here
today.
Then you will die. And then you have met your death. But if you come close to me, I will break your head. If you only choose the father,
I don't know how to fight. I don't know how to fight. What's me? I'm not even going anywhere. Hey. You go ahead.
About 2 cups.
2 cups of this, yes.
Customer, no.
Hearing about it in the street, people say that people say everything.
No. This one ain't fake.
That was why I came to your
This ain't fake, my brother. Look at Jara. Obaka PLC. I do people well every day. That is why they run to me. Hey! How do you go? Yeah, dear. Come next time, huh? Hey! Amaka bebe. Amakalistic, Amakoko. Amaka Otongwa. How are you?
I'm fine.
Forgive me, no business. Sometimes you have to stand up from morning till night.
Don't worry, I'm used to it.
Yeah, how are you? When you came here before, you were not happy. What happened?
Obaka, my provision is finished and I don't have money to buy it.
Yeah. Your provision is finished. Eh? Provision don't get. Hey! Can a fisherman go to the river and tell river that the fish he has in his house has finished? And when there is a lot of fishes in the ocean, he begin to pack fish. Eh? How can you tell me that your provision has finished when you are in the store, provision store? Amaka, go inside.
Obaka.
Go inside and begin to pack provisions.
Obaka. Please, can I also take my sister's baby diapers?
Baby diapers? For your sister? Yeah. Hey, I say go inside and begin to pack. Anything, if you want to use trailer to pack things, it is love. I told you that you don't know how much I love you. I love you that I can give this shop to you and your family. People should go and take it. I have seen that you are shy. Don't worry, let me do it for you. Diapers, Abi. Hold on, let me read.
Mama, I will not let them. I will not. Eh? Their plans of taking away my only child from me will not work. Eh? How can they tell me that my child is no longer my child? And you expect me to fold my hands and wait till the baby grows? I just don't just tell me that.
Listen. I'm not saying you should let them deny you your right to the child. I'm only saying that you should consider the fact that you're not yet.
Mama, see, don't tell me that because I know what to do. I know what to do. I will kill somebody. Head will roll. Anybody that tries to stand on my way this time around, Mama Mbepo.
No, you will not kill anybody. Listen. Wait!
This one is not about Ezenna because I'm going to kill. I'm going to kill anybody that stands on my way.
Please, my son. Ezenna!
I hope there is no trouble. You can see I'm going out.
Uncle, there's problem. There's a big problem. Uncle, please help me and warn Adolisa and the mother. Warn them all. Can you imagine I went to see my son yesterday? They refused me of seeing my son, my child. Not to talk of touching him. Hey, Uncle, can you imagine?
And you are here complaining. You want me to go and fight for you.
Uncle, you're just like a father to me. So I want you to go and talk to them because I know they will listen to you. Go and talk to them, oh.
Listen, you are an idiot. Huh? Yes, a very big fool. Why would they allow you to touch the child? A child you got illegitimately because you cannot control this nonsense in between your thighs. Look at you. Your mates are in the city fighting for money. You are fighting for a woman and the baby. Shame on you.
Uncle, is this all you have to say? Is this all you have to say? No problem. No problem. At all. Good. We can go ahead and call me names. No problem, but that will not stop me from fighting for my right. I'll continue to fight for my rights till I get that baby. Uncle, go and talk to them all.
Oh yeah, have this one. The other this is inside there. Your mother. The other one's your sister for her baby.
Thank you so much for that.
Don't mention it. Don't mention it. You don't know how much I love you. So that's why I'm showing all this love.
Obaka! Give me bobo and pick milk.
Let me go and drop you.
Don't worry, I'll walk home.
Obaka! Give me bobo and pick milk.
Maisie, what is it?
I want to buy bobo and pick milk.
So that is why I cannot talk to my girlfriend. Because you want to buy bobo and pick milk like a small boy.
Obaka, because of a woman, I should get that from your shop.
No, because of a man. Come and share my shop.
Obaka, I said give me bobo and pick milk. Let me leave here.
Let me break my key so that
Don't
I'll drop
worry.
Huh?
Obaka, come. Don't worry, I'll walk home.
Hey.
Obaka, sell for me now. Sell for me. Let me leave here.
What is your problem? Let's do it easy. Huh? In fact, leave my shop. I'm not selling again.
Because of a woman.
Yes! Because of a man, Obaka has closed. I'm not selling again.
Obaka, for that reason, I will not come here again and buy anything from you.
Ona?
You've closed.
I have closed. If I don't see,
You must sell for me.
if I don't see,
Leave that boy.
forget that.
Because of Amaka.
Has he slept? Yeah. I have laid him on the bed. But that boy doesn't want to close his eyes. I'm not going. By the way, with what is going on now, you need to be very careful. Makapacharanya, Ezenna might decide to come and kidnap this child. Hey, Mama, no. It's better not imagine. Because if it happens, we will make headlines in the newspapers. I will kill him and kill myself. He dare not. If you had listened to me, we will not be talking this nonsense we're talking now. No, Manezio. When I tried to discourage you for following that boy, you said, no, love, give me a theater there. Now look at where love has landed you. That boy is so poor poor of the poorest in short. Poverty mafia. When he walks around the village, everybody laugh. They all laugh at him.
Mama, who's going to be through this? You don't have to remind me of my mistake.
Mistake. That is what it is. Ezenia is a mistake. Nonsense. Inonya. Obaka. Hey. Ogomoke. No gomoke na go na tututu. Even you put a back tututu na so. Hey!
Obaka gave you something for Mama. He didn't give you anything for me. He gave me diapers for the baby. Diapers? Am I a baby? The diapers is for the baby. I'm talking about myself.
Don't worry, sister. He said anytime that you're free, she'll come to the shop.
There's nothing I'm going to let her find someone that will. Okay, find somebody that we will all be going to. Somebody bigger than Obaka. No. Sorry. I'm just advising so you don't make the same mistake. When we cook it, we share it. Then they be able to bed. One that inside that corner. So as we were saying.
My mother thinks that Ezenaya would kidnap my son one day. Because the way his head is doing right now, he is capable of committing any crime. Useless man.
He wants to kidnap the child and he thinks it's easy to care for a little baby.
Oh, I don't know what he thinks in that little head of his. I'm not fear.
You just realize his head is empty. I thought he used to be your sweetheart.
Which sweetheart? Please, that was then. In fact, I am no longer interested.
Ada, don't you think what you're doing to this guy is unfair? I mean, how can you deny a father an access to his own child? That's wickedness.
Obiakwa, father? Who told you he's the father of my child? I don't understand.
Mrs. Not fair. And you think it's fair for him not to contribute to the welfare of the baby?
Oh, God bless you. Ask her. Ngwa, answer now. You don't want to talk again? Chichi got what I will. If not that we've been friends since childhood, I would have said to you something you will never forget for the rest of your life. What is all this nonsense? You think what he has done to me is good, right? Okay. May the same thing happen to you. May the same thing happen to you over and over again if you think it's nice.
Calm down.
Nonsense. Please leave me alone.
Ada, it hasn't gotten to you leaving.
Ada? Madam Solicitor, are you happy?
Ego, just shut up. You never say anything good. You always tell her that wrong advices. We are friends. Don't forget that. Okay? And what friends do is to watch each other's back truthfully. I'm warning you, be careful. So you don't make her regret, because you regret too. You're just being stupid every time.
Are you warning me?
Excuse me.
Mercy, I cannot allow them cheat me. Wherever they want us to go, however they want it, I'll give it to them. Understand? I cannot be in water and soak wet. How can I do it as the mother? I want to forcefully take away my son away from me. Is it possible? It's not possible now. It's not possible. I cannot allow it. If they want court, we'll go to court and sort it out.
Look, Ezena, calm down. Calm down. In this particular matter, nobody is fighting anybody. And we are not going to take anybody to court. Are you hearing me? I've heard you. Okay? I've heard you. So just take it easy. Let me ask you one question. Are you really sure that you are the right owner of that baby?
Of course I'm sure. I can swear with my life. That baby is my flesh and blood.
It's alright. Okay, I'm going to draw the attention of the elder. I will look at it as a matter of urgency and importance.
Please, man, do that. You know I'm not a troublesome person, but I cannot allow this to cheat me. Please.
We look at it, we resolve the issue. Okay? Calm down. Alright?
I believe you. I believe in your words, and I say thank you again. But please, just.
What? Which plan? Why trying to hide? We have seen you.
Of course. Hiding for what?
See mango tree. I want to pluck mango.
After which mango?
This mango now. Why was I hiding from you people? Did I commit any crime?
Yes, you committed a crime.
How?
You did not come out the day we were cleaning the village square. Because I wasn't feeling fine. That's why I didn't come out.
Listen,
You're owing us the money you do. We want it now.
Ezena, you say you're not feeling fine.
yes.
Every time you keep us giving us excuses, we are tired of it. Ezena, give us the money. Let's leave.
Must I tell you, are you my mother? Must I tell you?
Your mother.
Eh? I will not. I don't have the money now.
Nothing like
Bring that money, Ezena. Bring that money. I don't have it. Ezena, now we want the money now because we have been looking for you.
Nothing like
Look at this. What is it now?
Give me that trust. When you bring the money, come to this.
Let's go. People are trying me.
No, Lisa.
People are trying me.
I'm giving this plan. I don't
Trying me. People are trying me.
I'm not owing you.
Austin! Get back! Open the gate!
I'll tell you I'm a big girl. You will suffer.
Leave
You will suffer.
Leave the house! Leave the house! Leave here! Listen, Austin, I promise you, this investor, you don't see her here again. Okay? Now, let's get. Let's get. Leave him alone. Do not get. Go inside.
Okay, go.
No.
If I catch you, Shaita! Open this gate! I'll slap you! If I slap you now, you open this gate! Shaita! Shaita! Hey! Come on, open this gate! Open this gate now! Open this gate! You're Shaita! Shaita! If I catch you, if I catch you, hey. Shaita! I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Idiot. You will still remain a good man. How many years will be a good man?
If I like,
Stupid man.
I will stay in this game 19 years.
Useless man.
When people were dancing, where they clean the chat, go.
You are very stupid.
Oh.
You are very stupid.
Oh.
Open this gate.
Stupid is my son.
Open this gate.
Stupid is my son. My name is Austin.
You will die a
Stupid.
good man.
Go.
You will die a good man.
Yes.
Stupid.
They'll bury me in this
Nonsense.
gate. No problem.
I'm not back.
It's my destiny.
Look at your uniform.
Gate is my destiny.
It's your destiny. You will die in it.
Yeah.
Shaitana!
My great grandfather was a great man. My father was a great man. Me, I'm a great man. Go.
Come and talk again. Come and talk again.
You were dancing. Hey, the cleaning chat. Get the head on chat.
You better open this gate, though. Open this gate.
Wakaya.
I'm not going anywhere. You open this gate today.
You are not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere. I'll bring phone for you and cry. You're not going anywhere. Go. They're gone now.
Shaitan, I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere.
Motherless
I'm
baby's
right
home.
here.
Motherless baby's home. Sleep here.
Obioma, what is it?
Hey.
Edifo.
So yeah, it has gotten to the extent that you see me and pretend not to. Thank God I met you. Because I'm actually on my way to your house. Please, I want to know. What has my son done to you and your daughter that you treat him the way you do? Biko. Why are you so unfair to him?
Okay, you're very, very lucky you did not meet me in my house. Because if you had done, the treatment I would have given to you would have been different. And as for that, your stupid son, please, tell him to stay clear of my 2 daughters. They are the only investments I have. They are everything to me. Advise him to go out there and make money like his mates. That poverty-stricken young boy of yours. In short, poverty personified.
Ndidi. My son?
You know, actually, that name you gave him, Ezenna, is not a good name for him. You can always change it or late. You go to the newspapers and write change of name. You call him Eze Obia, king of poverty. Yes, Punch will do it for you. That boy is so poor. In short, it's like poverty grew out of his system.
God forbid. I reject it. My son is not poor. My son is not poor.
God, I forbid. You're now born again. As if you don't know how poor you people are. Look at you. Because that woman dashes you all these clothes. So no, you can't be there.
Money is nothing. What goes around comes around.
Hey, I should wait through my mouth. Adolisa, you a liar. You can lie.
You are the one who is a liar. You never got me pregnant. Thief.
Don't you ever call me a thief again.
And if I call you a thief, what will happen?
They'll put you on.
Oh, you will hit me? You will not do anything.
Me?
You are a
Call me a
thief.
thief again.
You are a thief. You are a big thief, yes. How many times have you tried coming to steal my baby?
Oh, I'm a thief because I came to see my baby. My only child.
Your only child. Don't ever call my baby your child again. My baby is not your child.
That baby is my flesh and blood.
Impossible.
And you know it.
Impossible.
Mama, you know it too.
Baby is not your flesh nor your blood. It's the beginning where I made the blame flesh and blood. Well, how? How? I'm not in my flesh and blood.
You're asking me what? How?
You don't have.
Nonsense. Okay. Now, listen. Let me tell you people the full story. This is just coincidence. No. We are out. Just one shot. Please. Some other time. This is what you keep telling me some other time. If you don't want me, just tell me. Just tell me.
But you know I love you. But I can't do this now, please.
Listen. One person doing this thing, you see something now. Once you do this now, drunk.
I understand. My friend told me that it's very painful. I don't want to experience it. I told you, but you're so stubborn. You wouldn't listen to me. Now you've seen it. I'm feeling so much pain right now.
I'm sorry. Oh?
What do you mean you're sorry? Oh my God. What is that? This is not funny, please.
You said it's painful.
But it is now.
I'm trying to find you.
It is.
You see, Ada, you surprised me. For real.
Why?
So you're still a virgin?
Well, I told you now. Did I not tell you?
I thought you were lying.
Why would I lie to you?
Hey! Ada buka sacha nkoche. Ada, see, let me tell you. Before God and man, I will marry you. It's a promise.
That is not even the issue right now. Where is the money you promised to give to me?
Where did this blood stain come from?
This blood is from rat. It's from rats. I always complain to you that about that rat. I always jump around whenever I'm sleeping. So I decided to wake up and search for that rat. Immediately I saw the rat. Jump on the bed. I rushed my rope. Oh! This here.
Where is the rat?
Kill the rat. Throw it away. I've thrown it inside the bush. Why are you asking? I need you.
Ezenna. Ezenna. Ezenna!
I'm here.
How many times did I call you? Good. The day you will impregnate any girl in this village, I will personally make sure that you marry her. Wow! I promise you that. You had me. You think I don't know? Eh? You think I don't know? You've been sneaking around in this house with this daughter. It's a mama. Stay. Go and wash off this blood stain. Go and wash it off.
This is rat blood.
Blood. Wash it off.
This is rat blood.
Continue.
You're okay. Very stubborn rat. Trying to stop someone's food. How can I help you if I don't know why you're crying? Eh? Talk to me.
Yeah, the cause of all this is Enya. You wouldn't listen to me. I tried to stop you, but you refused.
Stop me.
See where it has landed us.
Stop me for what? What are you talking about?
Enya, I have not seen my period.
How?
I have not.
You're pregnant? What? We did it only once. How can you be pregnant?
Is once not enough? Ever since I met you, you are the only man I have been with. So what are you saying? One, are you trying to deny it or what? This is serious,
no.
This is serious.
It's okay. I'm not trying to deny it. But if I ask you to keep the baby for me, can you keep it?
Chineke, how can you possibly say that? When you know that my mother is not in support of our relationship, how can I keep the baby? It won't work.
Okay, I don't see. Now, if I tell you that I'm going to take care of the baby and you and take care of everything, can you do that? Can you keep it for me?
It will still work. You don't have money to take care of me. And you know my mother will not accept.
Mama,
let's look for what to do to this baby. Let's find a way and terminate it. I can't keep it. You know.
Won't I make money again?
My mother will not accept. That is just the truth. And you know that. Ozenya, you put me into problem. Your stubbornness. You're too stubborn. Now you've seen it.
It's too sweet. Now you the sweet me. What are you talking about? See the 5,000 I promised you.
This is not funny. This is not funny. Don't go funny. You can make me feel foul.
We're enjoying it together. You're telling me.
But I want for what to do. Let's do for what to do. Nothing will happen.
Oh, sweet! This simulon wine was easy.
Nine. You heard what Isela said?
Yes, 9.
Now tell us. Did you at any time tell him that you were pregnant for him?
No. Capital no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I don't see him. You're just a big liar.
I don't listen.
If you are saying that he's not the father of the baby, then tell us who impregnated you.
9. It is only a woman who knows the father of her child. And Ezenna here is certainly not the father of my baby. You are not.
Answer the question. I can't get it. Quiet.
Come on, why are we even here? Listening to all this rubbish.
Oh.
Who fathered the child and who got pregnant and all this nonsense. We are elders. Let us judge this matter as elders. Yes. We have our tradition. And in our tradition, if a bride price is not paid, a man cannot lay claim to either the wife, either the woman, or the son, or the child.
Oh.
Allow me to finish. Ezenna, Adolis is not married to you. Therefore, you cannot claim that the child is yours.
Tell him, Uncle. Thank you. Uncle, tell him.
No, hold on. Ezenna,
where your mother. She's on her way. And she knows everything.
Oh,
she knows this.
Oh, yeah, it's very good. I'm making it very good. I say she knows everything.
Mama! Papa! You're not a big girl.
Mama!
Look at you. Mama! Mama, I miss you. I miss your soup. Mama, how's everything? Where's the father?
You look so good. There's no need asking you how you're faring.
I am doing okay, Mama. Your son is doing well. I'm very, very okay. How's everything at home? Would you come this way? Come this way. I brought some goodies for you.
We went for a meeting. We will soon be back.
Yes. Don't worry. I have a surprise for you.
Don't give her anything.
Papa! I miss everybody.
Oh, that's good. We missed you.
I can see you are all doing very well.
Sure, I'm giving him his favorite.
Don't mind women.
Papa, I brought things for everybody. This one calls for celebration.
For me?
Cheta,
no, everybody.
Cheta, don't give her. Uju, she doesn't go for errand at all. All she knows is to eat and eat and eat.
Cheta says he bought something for me.
No, I brought things for everybody. But first, let's celebrate. I'm coming. Hold on.
Don't mind women.
I'm coming. We need to celebrate this.
I can't wait.
We need to celebrate this. Big celebration, Papa.
Yes, so. I told you that he would make it.
No, sorry. Let's go. Papa, you are doing it right. You are flying. Now we are going. Push up, let's go.
Your uncle Nollywood was mean to us at the meeting today. Everything seemed to be going well until he spoiled it.
Mama, you know Uncle Nana is a very trickish and wicked person. Everyone in the village knows that. One day the gods will surely pay him back for all the evil he has caused us. Was he not the same person that ganged up with an outsider and said that Papa was owing him before he died?
I don't know why he hates your brother so much. I don't know why. If only Ezenna will let Adoris and her mother be.
Mama, you're saying as if you don't know your son. You're saying as if you don't know Ezenna. Ezenna is very stubborn.
And the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave.
But
do you know as it is now? No one is on his side.
But Mama, one with God is majority. One with God is majority.
Ezenna, how are you? You don't look happy. What is it?
Chichi, how can I be happy? Who will be in my shoes and be happy?
Is that bad and the baby?
Now tell me, how can they not allow me see my own child? What have I done to them? What have I done to them? I only want to be close to my child. Is it because I am poor?
Don't say that. Okay, but I heard you had a meeting with the elders. What did you discuss? What's
Nothing. Nothing serious. So what you say about? Nothing serious at all.
Okay. I'm actually married to her house now, so if I get there, I'll talk to her, but I hope she listens, you know.
Please, Chichi, please talk to her. She's your friend. Talk to her. I don't want troubles from her and her mother.
It's fine, I'll try my best. I'll try. Okay? I'll try. But do me a favor, smile before leaving.
Chichi, I'm not working with Smile Network.
Smile now. Wait, Ada, it's not high time you made up with Ezema. My friend, that guy loves you. He loves you so much.
You have started.
See, if not for anything, for the sake of his baby.
You have started. Do you want to ruin my day? And who told you that he's the father of my child?
I beg.
He's not!
Keep quiet!
He's not!
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine, good afternoon. You can now go now, you can now go. My friend, you know her now.
Oh, Chichi, right?
Yes.
Chichi. How you doing?
I am fine. Bye.
Wow.
How are you? Thank you.
You mean you bought all this food?
Yes, so.
Yes, so. This is what I am talking about.
Yes, so.
Chai! Uncle Jack one of where boys.
You want to go?
Chiniki! He bought all these? Everything you see.
It's not enough. He even said he wants me to go with him to the city so I can shop for everything that I really want. And what did you say, sister? I can't leave him here all by himself. And you know that city is not a place you go and return that same day.
They say, yeah. Okay. You're not going to the city. It's just go city. Oh my God,
now who will take care of my baby?
Who took care of you when you were young? Mom took care of you. I will take care of your baby. That is not a problem. You have gone to the city. Is to tell us the story of what happened.
Mama, your problem is that you like money.
You like good things. Exactly. Who doesn't? That's why you're looking good. With money, I will make sure you look good.
Yes.
And then we can take care of your baby. Yes, and then this your sister.
Yes.
Look at her hair. She doesn't have any good wig. So Fumpulo, you need to buy her wig.
I'll buy you one. Fine one.
Wait now. Must we fight over this thing?
Wait now.
Wait now. I am taking this. Get shy.
Mama, you will just fall down.
I will wear this to the next meeting. Who's falling down?
Mama, when you hear?
Hey!
Can you imagine? If I
try Jamba,
if I go up if I eat
I wanna be starring something.
Cheta!
Isn't.
Chetana! This is another car. Eh? Yeah. Anyone? What of the other one you came back with the last time?
It's back to my garage.
Chita!
Yes. How are you doing?
Hi! Anyway, Chita, I'm fine. I did. Just look at you, you're doing well. Eh? It's everywhere shining, soft everywhere.
It's
look at you. You not even carry bullet on your neck.
I guess shining bullets now. You're looking good.
Cheta, stop saying that. Okay, let's change. Be like me, let me be like you.
It's just a matter of time.
Yeah?
Matter of time.
Cheta, nah. Hey! Look at my guy. Eh?
I hope all is well.
Cheta, I came to see you.
But I don't have that time now. I'm going out with something very, very important.
Cheta, please. See, I am your guy. Just give me 5 minutes. Let's just talk.
Listen, I won't lie to you. That's 5 minutes I don't have. Let's put this thing in the evening.
Evening is okay, no problem. But don't tell me that you don't bring anything from you. Even if you know those clothes that you don't wear again, even know those shoes. We wear the same size now.
No problem, no problem. In the evening, I'll surprise you.
No problem.
I'll surprise you, don't worry.
Okay.
By the way, my car is dirty. Can you help me clean it up? Eh? Just help me rag my car off. I'll fix you up.
Huh?
I'll fix you up.
My guy. Even say you don't get money now, but you don't get respect again.
It's okay, it's okay. Alright, you know what? When you come in the evening, you rag the car off. But for now, open the place for me. Hurry up. Hurry up, you can open the boot. Hurry up.
You don't get respect again.
It's okay, my friend.
Yeah, my guy.
Hurry up, open the boot.
I don't open up.
Hey! Ne. Hey! After the egg. Oh, the egg really. How are you? Hope I didn't waste time. Sorry. You see why I'm planning to marry you. So that the once I marry you, I'll put in this shop. You'll be looking after it. I want to plan and save big money. So that my game if okay quick. When we do anything we want to do, traditional marriage, wedding, okay, Ubaka PLC. Don't worry. Hey! Oh, did easy. Hey. Hey! Someone no. It's not easy. Hey.
But there's something I want to tell you.
Again, madam.
I need some money to register for nursing school. Just 10,000 naira only.
10,000.
Is it too much?
No. It's not that it's too much. It's just that. But I gave you 15,000 last week for you to buy clothes.
What's that? See, it's for our future. We need to plan our future together so that our children will not suffer.
It's okay. No problem. Just that, it's not that I'm complaining, no. No, I cannot complain. Just that my business. This counter has finished. Nothing is there again. But don't worry.
What are you trying to say, Dad? Are you saying that I'm the one that finished everything in this shop?
Yala. How can I say that you're the one that finished everything? Can you finish what is inside the shop? You cannot. I know that even when I was away, you have eaten like 5. The still gala will not finish. You have taken like 3 bottles. See, still gala will not finish. Let me tell you, don't know how much I love you. Yeah? If not that I love you now, I would say, let me search you to know if you put some money in your pocket. But I will not do it. Because Obaka is not like that. Don't worry. You see, by weekend, I will try and get you the money. 10,000. Yes. Like I will say, I will come credit. In fact, I know you have taken like this one like 2. In fact, drink mineral on top. Yes, take more gala. Drink more mineral, more malt. It is for you. Hey, Ami. Aye. You see why I talk about you? Even if you want to take everything, take. Take. Plus my machine is for me. Hey. Yeah. Hello.
Leave us alone.
though.
Nothing
Go
will
with this
stop me.
madness. Stop.
Nothing will stop me from coming here. I will come and see my son. Nobody will stop me.
I will stop you. This madness must stop.
Okay,
I will stop you.
Okay. Adolisa, come out and face me.
Ha.
Come out and face
Please
me.
stop shouting because I don't decide. It's not even in. She has gone out.
You can't trick me. You cannot trick me. So stop saying that.
She has gone to enjoy herself. Eh? Because you know now, the two of you are not in the same class.
Meaning?
I'll see meaning.
Do you know anything about class?
No.
Do you know anything about class? In Algo number, I get my baby. Then I get my baby. Baby. Don't forget your number.
Wanna be starring something? You got to be starring something.
I'm putting Algo number.
Nonsense. See, let me tell you, you're still in primary school. Listen, my daughter is about to enter the university. Give me you're taking now. See,
I am not going anywhere. I will remain here till she returns.
You will remain where?
You cannot chase me out.
I'll be
here. Nobody will take that out of this place.
Adolisa, I can't just have enough time with you. Have you considered going with me to my house in the city?
I will whenever you're ready.
Wow, this is great news. I assure you will enjoy your stay.
I know I will. Thank you.
Welcome, my angel. Welcome.
So where are we going? We're going to your house.
Yeah, we're going to my house, but first I want to surprise you.
Okay.
I know you like it.
What goes around comes around. Betray us,
Now, if you see what I saw today in the market. Hey!
Is that supposed to be your good afternoon? Woman, I can see you are gradually losing your manners, and I can't tolerate it.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm sorry.
And what is it that you said you saw in the market while coming back?
Nai. Hey, I don't even know how to say it because it's heavy in my mouth. Nai. I saw our son, Cheta, carrying Adolise, the daughter of Ndidi Amaka, in front of his car. Nai, they are dating, no? Do you know that Cheta saw me, pretended as if he didn't see me, they passed me? Let it not be what I'm thinking, honestly.
Woman, are you sure of what you are telling me now?
I saw it with my two eyes in nine. I saw it upon a madogwaram. It has gone viral in the village. There is nobody in this village that have not heard about it. Haven't you heard about the rumor? Huh?
Papa, you need to do something about it though. Before it to get out of hand. Adolisa of all people. Papa, it's not me.
Adolisa of all the people.
He was looking down on me very soon. I'm coming out.
Onye jara dano dago kwano. Onye posalo nani anwurugo kwano.
Ekwenso di purime naka chukwu ojidese komike naka ajamodi purime naka chukwu ojidese komike naka chukwu.
True confession osi na ekwensu jisie nyike ajayama osi na ekwensu jisie nyike ajayama. Oh! Hey! Oh!
Adolisa!
No!
What are you doing with my woman?
Hey, please. If you guys are looking woman again, please, I'm not your woman.
Because no problem of this madman. They just declared him mad. They will be
How could both of you do this to me?
Please. Get out of this compound, people.
You're doing this to me because of money. My people.
Hey! No! Oh no!
With the girlie, up with full for the man, fast enough, I don't know. I don't listen, what is your lover? Because Papa take a love for one, but walk.
Mirabelle, can I at least sit down?
No. Just say whatever you want to say and leave. Please.
Babe, why are you still angry? I don't have anything that Sheta did. I don't have anything to do with it. You have to trust me.
Is that all? See, I came to give you this money. It's from my own purse. Because I know how you feel and I don't want you to be angry as my fellow babe. Eh? Just hold it and move on with your life.
Sule, you don't have to. I don't need this money. I don't need this money anymore. Unless I'm not a Betrayal girl. If not, see, Sheta will suffer for what he did to me. He will suffer.
See, babe, forget about all these things you do. Not be me and you again. How many years have we been together? You don't have to be too angry about this. I bet just collect this money for me.
I don't need this money. I don't need this money. Please, just go.
Stop
leave now. Leave me alone.
Angry lady.
See, I beg, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Just go. Please, leave now. I beg. See.
Ada is so lucky. Not all girls will be that lucky to catch a rich guy like Cheta. Considering the fact that she has a baby.
Echo, I'm not concerned about her new catch. All I'm saying is Adolis and her mother has to be considerate on how they are treating that poor boy. See, Ezenaya might not have money now, but he's been helping them in this little way. They're just being unfair.
Chichi, that's in the past. We are talking about the present now. Who would prefer Ezena, the pauper, to Cheta, the rich guy? Who doesn't like good things?
Ego, you're all about the money. Huh? That is your friend now. You're all about the money. Have you thought about that guy's character? Eh? He's so full of himself. Ha! Oh, money.
Cheta has a car. Hope you know.
So?
He has a car. He's a rich guy. He's a big boy. Not isn't
all I'm saying is
up and down.
All I'm saying is they are not being considerate, and it's unfair.
Please. Can we stop taking Panadol over someone else's headache? Hurry up. Let's go to Ada's house to get the new updates.
Madam, I told you.
Date with Cheta.
I told you I'm not going. After washing, I have to prepare dinner.
Are you jealous or something?
Huh?
Are you jealous of your friend?
Are you mad? How can you say that? Ego, be careful. Please be careful.
I don't listen. What is your lover? Because Papa take a love for one, but walk away. Did that magazine, no money, no lover. I never forgive her.
Papa, I am not a baby. Nobody can tell me who to be with and who not to be with.
And I'm your father. It is my duty to guide you right. Chetachi, you've been away from this village for a long time. Allow me to guide you. Allow me. Allow me to guide you. And show you things the way they are.
I don't understand, Papa. Guide me against who and what precisely? Guide me against who and what precisely, Papa? Tell me. Look, Papa, I know exactly what I want. I know what I want. I'm not a child.
Brother, leave Adolise alone. She's not good for you.
It is called love, Ujunwa. This is love. I don't care about her past. We're talking about the present. I love her, that's all.
I have seen that in Didi and her daughter have bewitched you. Because from the way you are talking not talking from your senses.
Papa, nobody has bewitched me. Nobody bewitched me. This is love. Well, I'm not surprised. You don't even know what's called love. You never felt falling in love before.
Don't insult me. I am your father. Well, that girl Adolisa will never set her foot in this compound again. Sure. Period. She will never enter this compound.
Chetanwam. Please listen to the voice of your father. I beg you. Your father will not mislead you. Remember, you are our only son. No? Please. Listen to the voice of your father, please.
Mama, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I have made up my mind. That's fine. I've made up my mind.
Just because of money,
Cheta, come back here. Cheta, come back here.
Just because of money, Aqua Makega, Kita come on, must you remind me of my wretchedness?
What is this? What kind of life is this? God, when am I going to make it? When am I going to make money in this life? Are you going to give me money? Why am I passing through all these things? Why am I facing all these things that I am facing? Why me? Hi. What is it? Talk to me, what is it?
I'm feeling levels this morning.
What happened?
The doctor said that she has to be operated immediately. If not, we may lose her and the baby.
God forbid, not my adults and my own baby. God forbid, it will not happen. Come, go to the hospital. Come.
Please, we need one to negotiate for your patient. Please.
Take it easy. How much did the doctor say that we need?
It's 200,000 naira, sir. 200,000 naira. Please.
This is too much now. This is too much. 200,000 naira. This is not so much. What do I do now? What do I do? Okay, come.
Where do you expect me to get this kind of money from? 200,000 naira.
Please. Adolisa's life is in danger. And the doctor said if nothing's done fast, that she's going to die. Oh, please, help me save her life and my unborn baby, your grandchild.
You don't understand. I want you to tell me where you expect me to get such a huge amount of money. That's all.
From the women. You're the women treasurer. Please take this money and give me. Before you know it, I'll pay back.
Listen, you know the truth. Yes, you know that what you're asking me to do is very difficult. Okay, what if we are not able to pay up before time? Where do you expect me to get such a huge amount of money to pay back? Listen, honestly, I would have loved to help you. But
But what, Mama? But what? Mama, these are two very important people in my life. You want them to die because of money? Help me now, please. What? What is it? Why are you crying?
I've tried everything possible to raise money for an officer's bill, but I'm not being able to come up with anything. Daughter is going to die.
God forbid, not my adolescent will die. Mama, I have the money. This is the money. Please, let's go to the hospital. Please. Yes.
Where did you get it from?
Where I got it from. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go.
God bless you richly. Let me go.
Please, be fast about that. Let's go. Don't worry. Let me hold it. Let's go.
Hold it well.
Let's go.
No,
don't worry. Come, let's go.
Obioma, we have been patient enough with you. As it is now, you don't even want to pay the money. So we are giving you 1 month to pay back that money you took from the women's purse. Or we will invite the police at least to get our money back from you.
No. Please. My fellow women, honestly, I feel so ashamed that all these things are happening. Please forgive me. I'm sorry that I feel they might...
We trusted you, Obioma. That was why we placed you in that position. But you have dashed our confidence to the wall. We can never trust you again. You failed those of us that have faith in you. Trust, when it is lost, it's difficult to get back. I wonder what some people are thinking.
Obioma, I can never question your integrity. I know you too well. Something must have pushed you into temporary with the money in your custody. Yes.
That is, Mechon, keep quiet. All of us standing here, we have needs. Yes. Don't you have needs? I have. So whatever it is not reasonable enough.
I know.
Why trying to make rest of us see we don't know what we are doing? What our leader here is saying is right. We all have needs.
I am not saying it's a bad thing, no. But I am begging. I am telling us, please. Let's put our money...
Gladys, keep quiet. Don't let me use this. Whatever it is not reasonable enough.
At all.
Biko, calm down. Calm down. I promise you I'll replace it, Biko. I told the Nana to help us get buyer for the land.
Land?
Yes.
Mama, I hope it's not that piece of land I have left you're planning to sell.
Mama, Papa has just one piece of land remaining, and Uncle has taken it away. The only piece of land remaining for us is Bread and Spoon. Why do you want to sell it, Mama? That's the only piece of land we farm on.
Listen, my son. God will bless you with wealth and riches. Then you acquire as many lands as possible in this village. But please, we need to sell that land so I can be able to pay back the 200,000 naira I collected from the women's purse. Don't forget they gave me from now till month end to pay back their money. Because understand with me.
Everything will be fine. Okay? All your labor will never be in vain.
Amen.
Mama, why are you crying now? Why now? Mama, stop. I promised you one day I will take you outside the country. You will be the envy of every woman in this village. Mama, it's just that you'll be wearing trousers here.
How's that?
Mama, do you want to go there and retire, Papa? Stop crying.
Help me water to drink.
Somebody cannot carry the mother outside the country again.
Oh, why can't you people allow me to rest in this village? Why don't you let me be?
We are disobeying.
Yes. You've already collected my ships and my silvers. So what else do you want? What else? Let me be, please.
I
Of what is this useless shirt if not for that?
Call my designer shirt useless.
Only take this your rubbish wrap.
Do you know what it is? Do you know where I bought this from? Eh? Do you know what they call Pampella Pelusion? Do you know it?
No, but I have it on.
Now you're welcome. Please come in and sit down.
There is no need for that. Where is your mother?
She's not around. She went to the market.
Now listen, I have come to warn you. Stay away from my son, my only son. Because you will not like what I will do to you. Any day I see you with him standing together, you will regret what I will do to you. Eh? You think I don't know that you specialize in running men down? But not with my son. Don't ever try it. Because if I see you, do not say I did not warn you. I have warned you.
Look at this useless man. You came here and you're opening your mouth to talk to me anyhow. Idiot. Just thank your stars that I'm in love with your son. If not, what I would have done to you today.
Don't come back. This is Obaka PLC. Obaka Venture. Don't come back. Stay like that. I am going to carry this one. Stay like that. I am going to carry you. Start practicing how we are going to do it on wedding day. Stay like that. Come here. Come here. Yes. Come here. Come here.
I was just coming from your house. For my house? How? Thank you, Lord. This one you have remembered a little. That means everything is gonna be alright.
Well, I left a message with your daughter.
Yes.
But since you are here now, let me also give you the message. I want you and your daughter to stay away from my son, my only son. Because you will not like what I will do to you. Any time and any day I see both of them together. So, please, do not say I did not warn you. Leave my son alone.
Ichi, your son is in love with my daughter. Eh? And there's nothing anyone can do about it. I really do not blame him because she's a good girl. A wife material. She can keep a home, she can take care of a man. Can you mother than actress? Let them be.
Well, do not say I did not warn you. I am warning you now. Leave my son alone. When you go home now, release him for me. Because if I wait after 2 hours, I did not see him, I will release the whole battalion of Nigeria. Do not say I did not warn you.
Ichie, because it hasn't got into the Afghan battalion. Because Ichie, in love, sometimes you allow them to express themselves. Love is not something you can control. Love is a thing of the heart. When you're in love, you're in love. You know it's usually. Oh, nyabuna wine is. Left here not too long ago. He came to warn my daughter and I and said we should stay away from you. You know us now. We're peace-loving people. And you're children so. So people have decided to stay on my own. Like he can't go.
What is this supposed to do and against her?
Like I said, we're peace-loving people.
If a natural be body more come. Come on, I'm no one. Because
please forgive me. Once I get home, I will trash out this issue and handle it.
so what do you want? Manager, if I may ask, what exactly do you want from this family? Now, baby, I say, what is it that you want? What do you want from my daughter? You need to give all Wi-Fi. You need to tell me, so I will know what I'm doing. You all know what we are doing here.
Mama, so I know you don't know my intentions towards Agusa. I love her so much. I have strong feelings for her. Irrespective of the fact that she won't be teen or this way, I still love her.
Don't talk about Ezenna now. Ezenna is her ex. You know, Kakuku needs her ex. You talk about her ex. Yes.
I still want to marry her.
You do?
With all my heart. I like the way she talks. I love the way she smiles. Everything about her.
I do not blame you. Because if she isn't my daughter, now we see another family. I will come and marry her now. But they waste the time. Hey, you know, my daughter is an ideal wife for any man.
Yes.
She cooks well. She's beautiful, well mannered. Ozifo Bunu. Chai. Obuye.
Mama. City marriage. Yes. A very big and huge one. Yes. Talk of the town.
Oh, no, I'm assuming.
Yes. And I'm working towards it. And there's something I'm working towards. Once I lay my hands on it, the marriage will commence.
It will commence.
Yes, it commence. I am Cheta, the money spender. I did some contract with the million to the marriage.
Government?
Yes.
Do they owe people?
They owe more than individual. You don't know.
Ada is inside. Ada doesn't go out. Ada is a calm girl. Wait, let me call her for you. Ada.
Mama, I love the way you call her.
I love the way you love. That is how I call her when something special is going down. Hold on.
What is the meaning of this madness? You know society.
I'm one that is mad, and you're not ashamed of yourself. You left our baby at home, and you're hanging out with this.
Shut up your mouth. You are very, very stupid.
Yes.
And for your information, I am not your wife, and I do not owe you any explanation whatsoever.
For your information, you're the mother of my son, and I urge you to go back now and go and look after him.
You are mad.
Mama.
Yes. You are foolish.
Yes.
You are insensitive.
Yes.
You are a foolish man.
Yes, you heard it.
Get out.
You are foolish. You are mad. Then Punk. Then Punk Ego. Wait for me. Idiot.
I will show you
how fool we do. You are mad. You are a fool.
What kind of nonsense is this? Are you mad? What?
Michael! Yes! Ow! Officer, this is the idiot. Take him away. Hey! Cheta! Young man, will you shut up? Officer! Please! Take him away! Officer! Yes, take him away! Officer! Mama, please, just leave me alone! Just leave me alone! Nonsense!
Run! Back on my offer! Back on him!
What goes around comes around. Betrayal.
What now?
Your father at home.
He's not home. Huh? He's not home. What is the matter now?
Your father is not home.
What is it?
There is problem, oh.
Where?
There is my brother. My brother is in now.
Cheta and Adolisa called police for him earlier today. They took him to the station. My mother said I should come and fetch your father.
My father is not at home now.
Hey.
He'll come in the evening. Hold on.
Hey, stop right there. Stop! Have you seen what I meant? You fighting with Ezenna because of that second-hand woman.
That second-hand woman is my choice. My wife to be. Your daughter-in-law to be, my papa.
I have seen you have gone crazy.
Crazy?
Yes.
What is wrong with everybody in this village? Okay, you know what? I'm leaving this house for the city. I'm leaving you.
Better. Leave. Go back to the city. We don't need you. Go back to the city. Imagine. Because of that okrika. About a second-hand woman. You are fighting with your best friend. Love of your life.
I see that nobody wants me in this village. You don't even need me.
Where are you going to?
Where is your father?
My father went to his maternal side and will be back in the evening.
Mama, what the brazen now?
They've taken him to sell. Chichi.
Mama.
Please. Biko. Adolisa is your friend. Biko. Help me to beg her to tell Cheta to release Ezenna, my son.
See, Mama. Biko. The case is a bailable case, okay? So when we get there, I'll talk to the officer myself.
Really?
Yes. So, let's start going now.
Hey, God bless
I
you.
know someone there, so if I get there, he'll come on and Ma, let's go.
Let's go.
You are my best friend. No, I will not deceive you. Your son Cheta went too far this time. Remember, Cheta and Ezenna, they all grew up together as brothers.
Ezenna deserves all that he got. He deserves it. As for my son Cheta, I will talk to him. That is, if he has not gone back to the city.
What do you mean, if he has not gone back to the city?
It's Adolisa and her mother, Ndidi. Hey!
I have to leave from here. You know, it's getting late and my father will soon come back. I need to prepare dinner.
Hey, I was thinking you come home with us. At least, let me find a proper way to thank you.
Mama, you don't have to thank me specially. It's fine.
Chichi. Yes. I thank you so much. I don't even know how to pay you. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
It's fine. I'm also happy I could help you. Okay? As in now, please stay out of trouble. Okay?
Of course I will.
And you take care of your brother. my brother. Mama, I'm leaving.
If you don't want to give me the money I asked for, just Just let me know.
So what is important to you now is the money that you want me to give you. You don't care about my shop that is going down. You don't care about that one. I was telling you the other day that one counter is going down. Now it's 2. 2 is down. See, you are talking about the money you want me to give you.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that you have someone else in your life. That is why you want to throw me out of your life. Obaka.
Amanda, stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. Yeah, all this thing you are saying, you know that I don't have another person in my life except you. It's only you, my shop, and my motorcycle that is in my life. Now my shop is going down. If my shop go out of my life now, people will remain too. And you are talking this thing. What I concern now? My concern now is my shop.
That's not my business. If you don't want to give me the money I asked for, just tell me. Tell me, let me look for someone else to get it. What is that?
Why are you being unreasonable? So, the money is more important to you than my shop. Well, the only money that I'm looking for now is the money that I will use to stock my shop back. Let me come back to Obaka PLC, because what I am now Obaka LC, the P is out. Small time now L will go, the C will remain. The C, the meaning of C will become common. Obaka common. Please.
So Obaka, if you don't want to give me the money, just tell me. Are you going to give me the money or not?
I don't have money.
You don't have money. Obaka, you don't have money. No problem.
Come now, are you going?
To God, if you touch me again, to God, if you touch me again, what I will do to you? You yourself, you not like it. Touch me again now.
Okay. You are going just like that. Amaka? I want a disappointment. Amaka disappoints me. That is it. You see?
Hurry up, Thank you for coming. Adolisa. I'll see you, son. No problem, I'll take care of it. Let's keep going. Cheta, make sure you take good care of my daughter.
I will.
Don't keep her awake in the night.
Mama, what would you like us to buy?
Chineke, my daughter knows what I need. She will tell you,
It's okay.
Hey, that music has something. I salute you. Save Johnny. You know Nigeria. Hey!
What is love for one did the magazine, no money, no love. And I'm a oh, there's a man walking on.
Yes, my darling.
I just took a piece inside.
Thank you.
I can see you admiring this.
Hi. I've been looking at that light all day. Very beautiful.
It's okay. I just took your things inside.
Thank you.
Enjoy. You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have you too. I'm having all these things.
All these things. Those are material things. They're all for you. Once you agree to marry me, all this becomes yours.
I can't wait then. I can't just wait to be called your wife. So that's name is a girl mesh. You want to go?
It's like.
Thank you.
Interesting.
Hi.
Looks like you will feel your eyes. I have more aesthetics inside that you see. Beautiful ones. Yes.
Can't wait. Esther.
I'm hearing a sound. Someone is knocking.
It could be one of those beggars. The gate man will handle it. Don't worry.
Beggars?
Yes.
They come here to beg for alms?
They don't come to beg for anything. Oh, my gate man will give it to them. I'll take it back to my gate man.
Oh, you're a philanthropist.
It's okay,
Oh, yeah, drinking on my...
It's okay, we're in here. Come, let me show you. Come inside. Come inside.
It's my club.
You love that big work club?
Very beautiful. And it's like you bought it from Obodo Igbo.
Of course, I import them. Everything is yours. See, you're not as beautiful as you are. Thank you. You're breathtaking.
Oh,
I'm looking to have you enjoy.
Oh, can't see.
That is everything. I love this. I love that. I love it. That's my angel.
I'm still hearing that sound. Go and check who is at the door.
Okay, hold on. Let me go check who's at the door.
Okay.
No, don't worry. Just relax. Let me go check.
No, I'm coming with you.
Really?
Yes.
No, it doesn't matter. I don't want to stress you, my love.
Oh, Bimu, you are not stressing me. I always like to stay beside you. Hey, Nejo.
I love when you smile. Sonia, what are you doing here?
Meaning what? Oh. So it's because of this trash. Eh? This is the trash you went to the village to pick.
Sagini.
And Shatana.
Who is this mad woman? Why are you calling her trash?
My friend, shut your mouth! Are you mad? You're the crazy. You're the mad. You're stupid. You're very stupid. You're senseless. You're a stupid insurer.
Wash your tongue, Sonia.
Are you mad?
Sonia, wash your tongue.
What will you do?
What kind of nonsense is that?
Shatana, what will you do? I should wash my mouth. Ha! Because of this pain.
Kitala. Mad fellow. Who is this fool that came in here?
She's just one of the girls that put along the way and make use of her and I don't have. But I'm sorry for saying that.
No, you're welcome.
I'm sorry.
I don't have issues with that. Just permit me. Who sent you to come?
No, don't fool yourself with her. This is a whore.
Idiot. Is it that you're a fool.
Shatana, you are very stupid. You are mad and senseless. So because of this thing,
Ashawo,
you've been acting.
Ashawo!
You've been acting like a child. Huh?
Because of my wife here, I will take my coup. I will take my coup because of my wife.
Very good. Let her hear it. Your wife.
My friend, lose it.
I should listen it.
Because of your wife.
Sonia, I should listen it.
Who am I?
Oh my God.
Who am I?
How can you calm down?
You are just one of those girls I met along the way and make use of you and I dumped it. That was all. Baby, like, hey, once again, I'm sorry for that.
You don't need to
that was the past.
Shatana.
You don't even need to apologize. Allow me to beat this lunatic. You
No.
Allow me.
Wait till you talk.
Leave my house.
You don't know me very well.
No, honey. No, don't touch my wife. Don't touch my wife. Leave my wife. Honey, please. Honey, leave me alone. Honey, no. Honey, leave me alone. Honey, no. But you don't fool yourself. Honey, baby.
It's love, I believe
Ego, how are you?
I'm fine.
She's fine.
Actually, I came to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you so much.
Not again. You'd have brought a goat now. It's okay.
Wait. Is there something I'm missing out on?
Nothing. You didn't have to come again to say thank you. You've done that over and over. It's fine. It's okay.
Chichi, is there something you both are not telling me?
Echo, please shut up. Okay.
Anyway, I came to, since both of you are Adolisa's friend, I came to tell you, please, to help me beg her. Okay? Help me talk to her. You know how much I love her and I'm ready to do anything to make her happy. Okay?
Sorry, my dear. Adolis has gone to the city with Chita. And as soon as they return, they will start their marriage preparations. Immediately.
Echo. Sorry, my dear.
How sure are you about this?
Ada told me herself.
Don't mind that she likes saying rubbish, okay? Huh? You don't have to believe everything. Don't you believe in fate anymore? See, what is yours will always come back to you. Okay? Don't mind her.
Wait. Did you see them going to the city together? And when?
Perhaps you can go to their house and confirm things for yourself.
Isn't up. Isn't that? What is wrong with you, Ego? Eh? Why are you doing this?
He has to know the truth.
What truth? Did you have to do that? That he has lost Adolisa to the highest bidder, which is Cheta, the rich guy. Shut up! Shut up! Money. Is it because your name is Ego? My dear, everything that glitters is not gold. Just the way you're glitching with a bad character. See, I hope she doesn't regret that. I hope she doesn't regret that.
I know she won't. She's my friend. I know she won't regret it. I know that.
This girl. You can leave.
Wait.
Get out. Go. You won't see me up again. Get out. Whatever.
Cheta, please, kindly leave my way. I need to go. I need to leave this house now.
Baby, just hear me out.
I should hear you out.
Yes.
Give me one reason why I should hear you out. You were there when that stupid girl was insulting me and you did nothing. You allowed her to fight me. No, even though that I was the strongest, she would have beaten me.
I never wanted you to fight her. No, I never wanted to fight her. Please, take it easy on me, please. If you're acting like this, you're hurting me. Yes.
You and I, who is supposed to be hot? I'm asking you that question. Please, can you just leave my way? I don't want to be angry. I want to go.
Please, it's getting late. Just stay for the night. Tomorrow morning you will go.
I will not stay here. I will not spend 10 minutes here. I need to go.
I don't want you hurting me.
My mother said she wants me to come back. I cannot sleep here.
But your mother knew very well that you were me.
She still told me that she doesn't want me to sleep here.
I don't want why you hurting me. It's me, Cheta, your love. You're hurting me.
I'm hurting you.
Yes.
Oh, I have to go.
I know you have my son in there. You pushed him to fall in love with that your prostitute daughter.
My daughter, prostitute. So what you can call her whatever you like. But at least your son is in love with the prostitute. And that is all that matters. Nonsense.
Do you think I don't know what you did to Ezenna? You and your daughter. You pushed Ezenna to sell his land. And after selling the land, you pushed him away. You think you can do that to my son, Cheta? And even your second daughter is doing the same thing to Obak. You pushed the poor boy to sell off everything in his shop. And now that shop is empty. You think I don't know?
Did they complain to you? What can I was? You go about asking, collecting information. Is it your business? So now they've reported to you. What will you do? Mind your business, Rogan.
I will never allow you to do that to my son, Cheta. Bring him out now.
Your son is not here. Please go. I know you're here to fight. The tiger, go to your house and fight. Okay? Okay. I'm not to buy you. I'm not to buy you. No, I'm not going to get you. Go to your house and fight. Tiger. Go and fight. Fight with that your wife. Let us have point and you think I will touch you. Then you have to come and have a move over the fence. Nonsense. Then you fight. See the way to your house. So I'm not going to be in a gym.
Must you remind me of my wretchedness?
Elena, what is it again?
Again.
My husband. You know you are both my husband and son as well. I hate to see you in this situation. Nah. What is troubling you? Talk to your mother. Ogini.
But please, I'm thinking.
Thinking, brother. But I think it is you.
take it easy. You know it's BP that killed Papa. We don't want to lose any other person, no.
Nobody's losing anyone. I'm just thinking about my life. I think I have to leave this village because there is nothing for me in this village anymore.
Nah, this is good news. This is good news. I'm so happy to hear what you just said now. Hey, in that case, I will call my cousin Cosmas first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, you know?
The CEO of Cosmas Group?
Yes.
Hey.
He said whenever you have made up your mind to leave this village, I should call him.
Why didn't you tell me that he's the one you've been talking about? Why didn't you tell me?
Cosmas or this name? I have just one Cosmas. My first cousin.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey.
Besides, why didn't I tell you? Did you just say? When you don't even want to hear anything about leaving this village. All your attention was just on Adonis and her mother. Hey. I'm happy you're thinking right. Don't worry. It is better late than never. Oh?
Thank you for this information.
It's still right time.
So that's so you can eat your food now.
Eat, Nna. What do you look at me?
I mean, what is Adonis acting up? I mean, why are you people back so early?
Mama, just small things. Small quarrel. She refused to hear me out. Let's call her house. Look at her.
No, it's okay. Just let her be. She's usually like that when she's angry. But don't worry, I will talk to her. You can go. Just go and rest. I will talk to her.
I should go?
You can come on here and find out whatever happened. Now, calm down. Don't worry. Don't worry.
So, I'm very sorry. Because I promised you that I will buy one of the pieces. I didn't buy anything again. Mama, manage this one. Just buy. Mama, just buy anything you can with this. Buy anything on this one. Please, Mama. Just put Mama, please give this one to Lisa. Tell her to buy anything with this. Mama, please, see what she comes.
Wait, her own is the small one. My own is this one. So I will not. I'll put her own on there.
Okay, Mama, please. They tell to send her account number so that I'll send her money.
Hey, please, I will do that, but you know she's still angry. But not to worry. If she does not give me the account number, I will send my own. So you want to transfer to me, I will hit her own with their left.
So if I send money, you can give to her. Better, no problem.
You know that, no?
Mama, I will be very direct to you. Deceit. I don't think I'll come back to this place again.
Hi, but please, before you embark on that journey, make sure you send the money.
I will send
so that her heart will be pumping for you by the time you're coming back from talking. That's my job.
I love her so much.
Don't worry, this it's okay.
Baby, I'm going.
Baby, he's going. I will talk to baby. Drive safely as you go back home. Greet your mother more for me. Send my salute to her. One small one. Oh, why are you angry with our mama?
Nai, my son here has something to tell you.
If he has anything to say, let him say it. I'm all ears. I'm listening.
Uncle, I want to tell you that I'll be going to Lagos tomorrow.
You see? This is what I've been complaining of. You have planned to go to Lagos since, and you are coming down to tell me. You people don't have regard for me at all. You don't have regard for me as your uncle. That's why you are coming down to tell me. Well, I know what you are looking for, but whatever it is, I know it is transport fare. I will not give it to you.
No. No, we're not here to ask for money. Ezenna, tell him why we're here.
Uncle, I came so that you give me fatherly blessings as I go to Lagos to look for my destiny and my better future, it will be well for me.
You want fatherly blessing? Wait, we see. Wait, we see.
Cheta.
You shall be well.
Cheta, my son. Cheta, one.
Is it not blessing you want? Have I not given you blessing?
Thank you.
So why are you still here? Go to Lagos. Let me see how you succeed and come back with this type of motto that Tetangwam came back with. Go to Lagos.
You should have just let me handle that guy long time ago. But you were a funny boyfriend. You see, that guy is a bastard. God.
No. Chetana. I will deal with that guy. Babe, I will deal with Cheta. He thinks he can use me and dump me like that. It's not possible. I will deal with him.
See, babe, if you ask me, I will just tell you to forget about that guy. Let that guy go. Better things they come. That guy is a bastard, an asshole. Yeah, just let him go.
You better say something they worry you, Abi. You don't dey crazy. I should let him go like that. For waiting. Cheta must collect. Me, Sonia. I should let him go just like that after everything. Me.
Babe, see, I understand what you go through.
No, you don't understand.
I understand. They feel your pain.
You don't understand.
They feel your pain. Yeah. Just let him go. Better things they come. Yeah, not for my hand. Don't cry.
Which nonsense cry? You talking? I know they cry.
Don't cry. Yeah.
But I will deal with that guy.
I know. No worry. You not be strong, babe.
I'm a strong babe.
We will deal with her. No cry again. Yeah. If you cry, you fall my hand. Don't cry.
I'm not gonna fall your hand. But I will deal with that guy. You see, Cheta? How many years? You just dumped me for one nonsense girl.
See, no worry. Calm down. Good things they come.
Babe, you know don't understand though. You know don't understand.
See. Don't cry now. They cry now.
I know they cry.
Don't cry. Yeah?
I know they cry.
No worry, things go good, no worry.
I will deal with that guy.
Don't cry. Yeah,
I know they cry. You need to calm down.
What are you doing here?
I've come to pick my things.
I will get your cheap things for you. But please go outside the gate and wait for me. I told you wait outside the gate.
Come on, baby. How can I wait outside the gate when I'm
Is this how people die? I'm in trouble. How can I carry our corpse out of this place? My gate man. And the police. I will settle my gate man. Yes, I will pay him off. Baby. Hey! I'm in big trouble. Cheta! Let me see my face.
What is going on? Why is she not picking? Or did Sheta caught her hiding those drugs inside his house? No. Or are they making love? I think, should I just call the police? No. If I call the police, my friend Sonia will be in trouble too. No. Let me just pretend and go inside and just pretend as if I want to see Sonia. No, Cheta is not a fool. She's not that stupid. Let me just keep calling. Maybe she will pick.
Oga. My Oga!
Hey, stop this.
My Oga!
There's no time for this wrong thing.
Yeah?
Take this. Take it. This is 100,000 naira. I'm paying you off. I want you to go to your room, pack your things, and leave. Never come close to this compound again. I am traveling, and I don't know when I'm coming back.
Okay, this one you are paying me off. Oh, go give him another go. Give him me. Hey!
Austin, am I speaking Swahili?
Okay, no.
That's not what I said. I said, take this money, leave, and I'm paying you off. I am traveling, I don't know when I'm coming back.
Okay, where do you want me to go from here?
Okay.
I'm a motherless child.
I'm going inside now to get my car key and leave. If you stay here, whatever you see, you take it.
Hey! Chineke! Oga! Hey, Jesus Christ. Hell! Where will I go from here? Jesus! 100,000. The money is still big, sir. I will go to Gagas. I'll spend like 20k in Gagas. Zenith. Let me just use 20,000 and just go and relax at Gagas.
Hello? Emeka, where are you? Please, leave whatever you are doing and come to Eagle Street, number 10, please. Yes. Please, I don't know. Me and my friend, we had a deal. And I don't know, something is going on with her right now. I'm in her boyfriend's house. Yes, please come. Please, Emeka, don't ask me how long. Even if you aren't staying here till the midnight, we're going to be here. Please, just hurry up and come. Please. Okay, please, I'm waiting. Thank you.
show you something very important. Let me just show you. Papa, look at this car. This car. Do you like it?
This one?
Yes, this very car.
It's good.
Okay. Hold on. What about this one? This other one?
Hi! This is... Hi! This is Peugeot.
Good. Peugeot! Good. Papa, as I'm talking to you right now, I have paid for these 2 cars. They are on their way to the village. These 2 cars are for you and Mama. And the sum of 500,000 naira will be transferred into your account. But on one condition.
Hey! Whatever the condition, just say it. If not because of you, I will do it because of this car and the money accompanying it.
Good. Good. Papa, I want you and Mama to accompany me to Adolisa's house tomorrow.
I will serve at all.
He killed my girlfriend and dumped her body on the roadside.
Hey! Baby, it was a mistake!
You didn't do it!
Move! It was a mistake! It was a mistake, baby! Papa!
Police, is there something we can settle here?
Police!
He did somebody mistake!
We don't know!
Is there not something we can settle here, police? Let us settle! Let us settle! He did somebody says mistake! Mistake to keep person! Mistake, yes, mistake!
Go 50,000 naira. How many notes? 1,000. You see, this is the kind of husband I want for my daughters. Not that better than age Yoshishi. That is why it's happening. Once he makes it, yeah, he had better hurry up because Ubaka has made it. If Ezenia was as rich as Ubaka is today, I would have let him marry your sister now. Kapani 4. Go count the 50s first. Yeah, not for the 2020 95 break. Oh wow, not today. Give me 50s, let me be counting. Count 200s. Amen, man. Hey. Mama, what is it? Mama, what happened? Mama, Sheta. Mama, police. Hey. Mama, police came and arrested Sheta. Mama, they came and arrested him. They said they killed the woman in his house in the city. Mama, tell me the truth. Mama, they're not taking him to the police station, no. Mama, they're taking him to jail 7 years. 7 years, Mama. Mama, 7 years. Oh, hey, Mama, no, now. Mama, stop. Mama, stop now. Hey, Mama, be good now, Mama.
Speak with your mouth. It is night and I can drink anyhow. I've rendered me useless.
Ubaka, it's really wicked, Ubaka. Are you mad? No.
I'm a millionaire. Jugu Africa mania. I'm a millionaire. Obodo ne kweze na yo. Abuzu kweze na yo. Abuzu kweze na yo. It's now a millionaire. Among the people, diga. Akuwa butanda itan.
Yes, Kaka. Please take this and go and buy a biscuit for them. Oh, rush.
Money not get enemy. If you let go, I will go enemy mancha. I want my go one fego. Ye go or the go well enemy. Money not get a bangle. Ye got my girl. Mana echipanego megida moyenechi ime. Give my legacy, give my boja. Ye got my girl. Echipanego megida moyenechi ime. Ile bicycle, ile motor. Yega maka. Mana echipanego megida moyenechi ime.
So Ubaka did what to you?
Before I knew what was happening, Mama, Ubaka began to beat me. Oh, my body is paining me.
Hey, Ubaka laid his cursed hands on you. Ubaka even with his cursed hands. Inflicting pain on this body.
Mama, I'm not sure that man loves me. He doesn't treat me as his wife.
So love and I go more. No problem. That Ubaka, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget. We're going to Ubaka. I will deal with Ubaka. Get up. Get up. Okay. I'm going to be my brother. No, no, what's a shoe? Why are you looking at us? Let us go. anybody. Doesn't mean he's out of jail. But he's supposed to spend either 14 or 15 years in jail.
15 years, Mama.
And he has only spent 7. Hi, I wish I can run after that bike. Eh?
Mama, this is one of my cars.
It's not one of your cars.
One of my cars, Mama.
Eh? So something good has finally come out of this family. Hey! A rejected stone has become the chief cornerstone.
God has finally done it.
He has done it.
You remember the name you have called me?
Ezenaya. Ezenaya! Odogu. Hey! Agamebulu hallelujah, buru. Agamabara hallelujah, para.
Come here. Look at the wife I gave you.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What have you beat up your wife? Eh? Woman beater. Did I give you a wife to beat her up in a parlor? Eh?
Mama, have you finished?
Meaning that I am a backing dog in your father's compound. Up where? Up where?
Mama, I didn't call you a dog.
But that is what you imply by keeping quiet.
I didn't call you a dog. You're embarrassing me in public. You're embarrassing me on the road.
On the road?
Mama, this is not good.
So when you were beating your wife, you didn't know you were embarrassing her. Now beat me. React and let me tell you, if you don't do anything, that means you're not a man. Come on.
Amaka, have you seen what you cost? Have you seen what you have cost? No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You're running.
Eh? Do you dash wife in your village? In your family? Do people give wife on credit? I am no longer married. Take her away. Let her go. Let her go.
Also. Eh? This is just a cell.
My hands are clean, Papa. My hands.
Hey! This is you, Cheta.
It's me. My hands are clean, Papa.
Hey!
It's me, Mama. My hands are clean.
Woman, stop crying.
Mama, stop crying now. You know if you are crying,
always,
crying.
You people always know how to trivialize issue. Eh? Even when good thing happen, you cry. When bad thing happen, you cry.
Mama, stop crying now. You know if you are crying, I will be crying. Mama, stop it now.
Thank you.
Papa, I was lucky to be among those that was granted amnesty by the president.
Eh? Yes. Amnesty!
Nice.
Amnesty!
Yes, Papa.
What is amnesty? Amnesty is when you commit an offense against the state. It is only the president that has the right to give you amnesty. Oh my God! Amnesty! Hey, people, come and see my son. My son, I know it. I know it. That my son's hand is clean. My son is innocent of this offense they are accusing him of.
Innocent, Papa.
Can you imagine? In fact, I am going to see the parish priest now.
My flesh and blood.
Listen.
The allegation they gave to my son is too much.
Woman, stop crying.
I never knew I will see my son again.
Allow him to go and freshen up. Stop crying.
You know if you are crying, I will be crying. Papa, you see the kind of food they give to me there, Papa.
Ha! But they gave you amnesty. Because of this amnesty, I am going to meet the parish priest to book mass for you. It is not easy to get amnesty. Hey! My son given amnesty.
Papa.
Go and give him better food, good food to eat. I'm freshening up.
It's okay.
I am going to see the parish priest for amnesty. This amnesty is too much.
It's okay.
Hey! Amnesty! Amnesty!
Money not get enemy. If we let go, I wanna win enemy manja. I wanna go one go. Enemy. Money not get it back.
Nana, I have been calling you now, Nana. Where are you hurrying to?
I'm going to the parish house. I want to see the parish priest because I want to book mass for my son, Cheta. He's among those the president granted amnesty.
Hey, Ezoku, a lot of good things are happening now. Your late brother's son, Ezenna, he came back with very big car and he has been giving widows 20,000 naira each.
Are you sure of what you are just telling me?
Nana, when you come back from your visit to the parish, you can come and join us. I am making arrangement with elders, some elders now, so we can go and get some of that is get our own portion of the cake. Yes. I thought you are going to the parish priest. To see the parish priest.
Yes, I forgot something at home. Let me go and settle that. I'll soon.
It's okay.
If not for God, what will I have done? It wasn't that you. I don't know what to do.
Family, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Okay? Make your family
bless you.
happy.
Amen. God bless you.
Make your family
bless
happy.
you.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen.
Amen.
Go and enjoy yourself.
Oh, Mama, what is it now?
Cheta, where are you rushing to?
Mama, I want to go see my wife. Let me go and see my wife.
You want to go and see your wife?
I'm not seeing her.
Is that why you're rushing out?
Papa.
Ichie, why are you so back so early? Or the one I'm not? Papa, I thought all is well. Ichie.
Obioma's son is a nice back. He came back big car. Lots of money. In fact, the whole village is celebrating him now. He is giving widows 20,000 naira each. Even the elders, all of them are mobilizing to go and greet him. Common as a nine.
Is that why you came in and you are just shaking your leg as if something great happened, don't I? Hey, Ichie, let me tell you, one thing you should know is that you don't know how Ezenna make that money. We knew how Ezenna started in this village. Ezenna was nobody. He left this village wretched and frustrated. Then why are you celebrating him now?
Papa, are you sure of what you are saying? If you are sure of what you are saying, then how could he possibly make that kind of huge amount with him? Or is he into ritual or drug dealing? Yes, he must be into ritual or drug dealing. That is the only way he can make such a huge amount in a short period of time.
Have you heard? You may be right, Chetan. But whatever it is, let us keep our fingers crossed. Oh yes, very soon the wind will blow. And then we shall see the anus of a fowl.
I have always known Ezena to be this desperate to make money. But becoming a ritual, drug dealing, it never came across my mind. I never thought of it at all. Hey, Ezena.
Why now? Why now? That Ezena is going up and my son is coming down.
Don't say like that.
I'm coming.
Cheta, come! Come, my son! Cheta, come!
Why are you calling me to jump frustrated?
If you gonna get me started,
Where did you get all the money from? I'm coming from Obiama's place. Do you remember that? Her son. Obiama has only one son now, Ezena. But I call him Ezobiam. King of poverty. Yes, Ezena. He's sharing money to all the widows in this village. I am not talking of Ezena. I am talking of where you got the money. Okay, he gave them to me. That boy is giving every widow in this village money. So run fast, go there and collect yours. Wait, are you trying to tell me that Ezena is the one sharing this money? Yeah, mom. Yes. Now let me tell you. That boy came back with so much money. And if you see the car, hey! Also, God will bless him for us, honestly. Ezobia, big car.
if not for God, what will I have done? It was a good chuku. I don't know what to do. Mana chukwa mego meje. I'm a millionaire. Chukwa fuka mnanya. I'm a millionaire. Obodone kweze na yo. It's now a millionaire. Abuzu kweze na yo. Nabudo na muamua. Abuzu kweze na yo. It's now a millionaire. Mama Lubifa.
Cheta, take it easy now. Why are you rushing it like this? Hey. No, I thank God that our son is back. Oh. God really vindicated him. At least he's here with us. I'm so happy. Hey, Cheta, I heard that the experience in prison is highly ridiculous and terrible. Is it true?
Mama, I don't know what my need to go there. It is unimaginable.
That's no problem. These prisons are meant for human beings, not animals. It's a human being that will be in the prison.
Hope you are enjoying the food. Nah, hunger would have killed this boy.
Papa, Mama, what about my wife? I do this one.
Cheta, eat your food. Concentrate on your food.
Why is it that if I talk about my wife, I feel like we'll get angry?
Cheta, my son, eat your food. I know you enjoy the food. Later we'll talk about that. I know one. Eat.
I've lost my appetite.
Why?
Because whenever I talk to my wife, my friend will just get angry.
I don't worry now. I'm your mother. We shall talk about that later.
Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out, but I'll be back shortly.
Oh, your food is ready. Why not come and eat it? So that it doesn't get cold.
Mama, don't worry about the food. When I come back, I eat. Okay?
Ezenna.
Biko.
Ezenna! Are you sure you are not going to see that girl that frustrated your life in this village? Now.
Hey!
Nemo,
who seems to be reading me like newspaper. How on earth do you know where I'm going to?
I know you too well. I am your mother. Why don't you let the sleeping dog lie? Eh? Why do you want to open up old wounds? Eh? Please, come and eat. Then rest. And plan yourself on how to execute your plans in this village. Oh, let's go inside.
So what do you
Onna.
Oh?
No.
Mana ejikwana ego megide mwenye na-eji n'ime ka ịma Legosi ịma Abuja ego maka mana ejikwana ego megide mwenye na-eji n'ime ka ilele bicycle ilele moto ego maka mana
Ubaka. Ubaka.
What is it? Chiamaka, what is it? You want to kill me in this house? Chiamaka, okay? Amaka, what is it? Eh? Allow me to eat this food in peace. You cannot cook. What use are you in this house? Eh? As I'm ready to buy this food now, you not allow me to eat it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ubaka, let's forget about what happened because eh?
That is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to forget you and your mother. Because both of you have squandered me. Look at me now. Obaka, LC, is now Okada man. Eh? Okada LC. You people have removed the B in my life. This is now LC remaining. Eh? This is Okada now. The only what you is now is the only thing that I have remained. That you and your mother couldn't take. Look at my provision store. You are telling me sorry. When you are sorry, bring back my provision store that people squandered. In the name of love. Okay, you know where it's a come. Look at me.
Eh? Look at my condition. Because small food.
You see this food? Instead of you to eat it, I'll give it to my goats. Because my goats are better than you. Yes! My goats are better than you. What are you doing in this house? Your condition. Your condition is better than Nigeria's own. Nonsense.
Ubaka.
You can sit here and enjoy. Ubaka.
Let me use this bread and cook and put myself. I'll go back. Let me use this bread and cook and hold myself. Lisiano Mamaka. Lisiano Mo. I know when you're back, I used to love you. Eh? Now look at me. Look at what I get in return. Ubaka.
Chop and chop. This is called chop and chop. Enjoyment galore. It's my money. This is Obaka's money. Obaka PLC. Obaka International. Import and exporter. Village merchandise.
My baby.
Yes, sir. I bought enough meat for you with juice. Eh? It's only you. Only you. Amaka bebe. Amaka listic amakoko. Amakalistic amakoko. Etamu use juice to digest it. Love anaga. Yes, sir. Should I give you? Eh? I will pump money on you. Eh? I will be giving you money. You see this your skin? I will transform it. Yes. I will transform it. Your skin will be glittering like glass house.
Oh!
Yes. Drink juice. So when you eat it, there will be a lot of vitamins in it. So that by the time I will return the vitamins, you return it to me. The vitamins will enter inside me too. That's why I don't want to drink. Because when you drink, oh, maybe me will. Eat more meat. I no can cook. Should I give you more? Huh? I'm fine. You okay? I no can shop that woman. That woman still has shop meat. Okay. I drink juice. So that when I will be drinking it back, if you drink small now, when I will be drinking it back, so drink big. So by the time I will be with my pipe, taking it back, we will take it. Another one. Direct, equal proportion. Direct. Direct proportion. Hey! Get with the juice. Digest, you know, have it. Time to return the juice. Let us go inside.
I get it returned. It will never be well with you, Baka. It will never be well with you. If I die today, Oblaka, my blood will be on your head.
Mama? Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you. But I hope you enjoyed the meal.
Of course I did.
Go and tell them to announce it in the television that you are the one that prepared the meal.
What to, Mama? So, she was the one that prepared this meal?
Of course she did.
Wow. Then you're learning so fast.
Yes, she is. It's just that sometimes she adds too much spices.
Yeah. But at least it's tasty.
Exactly.
I thought you're the one that cooked too.
I just want to see.
Anyway, that's nice. That's
like
nice.
mother, like daughter.
I really enjoyed the food.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. I'm happy.
But Mama, I'll go now.
Okay. Go ahead. Don't forget to go and greet your uncle.
before the news of your return gets to him.
Mama, I will do that, but I don't care if he gets to know first or whatever. But I will do that.
You will try.
I will. Okay, let me be going.
But I will go with you. Come here.
Oh, no problem. Hurry up, I'm in the car.
I want to make sure he doesn't reconcile with that gold digger, Adolisa.
Don't give him breathing space. Don't allow them to discuss any intimate talk. Oh? Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.
DK, how are you? You grow so big. Eh? Did you miss your daddy?
Yes.
Oh, this is how fine you're looking. Okay? DK.
Good day. It's not boring. You go inside, okay?
Wait. Allow him.
Don't worry, I know what I'm saying, please.
DK, I'll come next time and see you, okay? Hold on. Take this and buy something for yourself. Buy bicycle, shoes, dress, okay?
It's okay, I'll do it. We have to go inside.
Mama? I'll take my leave now, eh?
It's your problem.
Yes.
Okay. See your daddy off now. See your daddy off.
How did you come, eh?
See your daddy off. What now?
Okay.
Go on.
Well, you people manage.
Hey, well, thank you.
Okay.
Oh,
come and see your daddy. Hey! My son!
I'm going to Fredrick and Nollywood.
What done for me? No. See my son! Wow!
Mom, I don't understand. You don't understand what? What is all this daddy all about?
Didn't you see how excited he was? If you go DK, he's the real channel through which we can get to Ezen.
What jackpot are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This man will start taking care of you and the son.
Mama, I am tired, honestly. I am honestly tired of your manipulations. I don't want them anymore. I mean, can't you at least allow me to take care of my life for once? Let me be the one to handle it. Why have you been tossing me about like I'm a child?
Tossing you about? I become waves and I toss the sheep about. I don't like this kind of talk. All you have to do is look at your mother and learn.
No!
No, yes!
Mama, please do not tell me to learn. Ever since I've been trying to learn, I have learned nothing from you.
Because you have not been smart. Negodanya, let me even go outside and see.
Mama, Mama, Maria, they go too much. They've given you money. What are you going out there to do? You're not going anywhere.
Mama, I'm going out there.
Mama, respect your no way. Respect your no way. The amount of money you have in your hand, yet you still want to go outside.
Let me just say bye-bye to him. Okay, let me bring DK back. You might kidnap him.
Somebody hold your bang.
You need to bring the answers. I don't know why you cannot face me. Anyway, do you know what happened? After 7 years, I actually saw him and called him daddy. What was wrong that there's something going on somewhere? Things are beginning to happen.
Mama, can you even hear this? How can this work? How do you expect me to face him after all this while?
Why can't you face him? No, tell me what is wrong with facing him? Look, I don't see anything wrong with facing him. If he can leave his house under this rain to come and see you, then that means there's something going on, like I said. Okay, if you cannot face him, then you can back him. You try to last whoever catches him more. What are we talking about here?
Mama, it is very, very obvious that young man came here to mock us.
There is no way he will ever come here with a clear mind after everything we did to him and his family in the past.
Mock us for what? He's not that kind of person. Not the SN either. I'm sure he's not even thinking what you're thinking. When you just go in there, it seems like nothing happened. You got to go. Yes, and let's see whether the relationship will continue for the next step. Yeah, no.
It's not as easy as you think.
We get where's your problem. It's easy as I think. Yes. Depends on how you carry yourself. You know, oh, yeah, Mama, Mama, be quick, I one more thing, people. You never feel my boy, let's see the picture. Yes, it's not part of the change your office. Sure, why that?
If you go, go once, If you gonna get no see idea. Chukwa de metasha, turn by turn. Oh yeah, little, today lily, turn by turn. God have justice, turn by turn.
Why are you crying? Because my mother chased me away after knowing what Ubaka has been doing to me.
Now, why would she do such a thing? That's not fair now. It's not nice. I heard Ezena visited.
Yes, he's in our house right now. Because look at my condition. Look at what my mother has caused to me. She was the one encouraging me to be collecting things from Ubaka. Now look at me.
Child, sorry. But you and your mother to be blamed on this issue. Eh? You've been collecting from Ubaka. Why would you be friends with Ubaka for what you will get? Why? Is it fair? It's not fair now. It's not fair. Odimma, carry your cross.
If you gonna get no see idea. Chukwa de metasha, turn by turn. Oh yeah, little, today lily.
Oh, good day.
God have justice.
You changed.
Yes.
Is this good or what?
It's good.
Hi.
It's good, yes.
Nice.
Uncle, how you doing?
Well, you can see we are fine.
Wow.
Biamma, go and bring seat so that we can sit outside there.
And Uncle, no, I don't need it. Don't bother yourself. Okay, yes.
No, you don't have to keep him outside. Ezena is still our son. Ezena, let's go inside. I prepared your favorite soup. Onubu and pounded yam. You will like it. Let's go.
Yes, I just came to see that you guys are doing good. Yeah? I know this is no.
Oh, we are okay. We are very, very okay.
Get what I brought for you. Hey, Uncle. What?
This is water.
Yes, I know. Water is life. You need to be taking water for your system. Water is good for your liver. Enough of this will reboot your brain. Suppose it now. Okay, I'll take my leave now. None of one.
Just one. Instead of consent.
Ezena purposely came here to insult us. Yes. He came here purposely to insult us. Well, what is this now? Okay, I'm the one that's supposed to be drinking water. Please take your water. What kind of nonsense?
Mama, you mean Ezena brought a bottle of water for us? After sharing money to the whole people in this village?
Hey, God. What do I need? Don't look at me. Where did I go wrong? What sin have we committed? Oh.
Mama, stop crying. Papa will definitely teach him a very good lesson.
You don't need to blame Ezena. Don't blame him. You have to blame Cheta, our son. Cheta did not listen to us. He never hearkened to your father's voice. We told him to stay away from troubles, but he never accepted until he went to prison. Now Ezena is back. Look at the way Ezena is treating us. He gave other people wine, money, and a lot of valuables. All Ezena could give us is water. As if we are told that drinks a lot of water. Maybe we don't know the value of money or what. But my happiness is that my son made money before Ezena. Oh.
Mama, I'll never forgive Ezena. I'll never forgive Ezena.
My daughter, don't worry, okay? I believe that your brother will bounce back. He will make money again, okay?
Please, be more patient. Our son will soon be out, oh?
It's no problem. There's no problem.
In a hurry at all. We will wait until he comes.
Own adventure. Well, you just send your 10 million, then I'll get you what you want. But no problem. All I want is the money in my account. We are done. It's okay. It's okay. Bonnie. Yeah, okay. I'll be there soon. No problem. Oh, Malaysia Nemo.
No. Hey, please, my husband. I'll be right back. Probably he's not in a good mood. Please, I'm coming.
I can see his hand. I can see the whole bundles.
Hello, Timila. Chime fine, Melo me fine. That's small money, my friend. It's okay. It's okay. I'll take care, man. Hey. Let me have it. Hey. You're welcome, my other.
Oh, Kasodogu!
You want me
No.
Sorry. You know, going to be because business. Going on going to be because business. You don't even know how long. But it's good to know how. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. I was saying. As I was saying. Yes. To see that she is planning to I came back with this 15 million. Oh, somewhere there. You know, the last time in Germany with me, I went home each $1,000. I don't know what is going to happen.
Hey.
I don't know what is going to
happen. 1,000. Ezena.
Your father.
He looks very much like
you. Remind me of a man. Remember when we were sharing bush? I remember when we were sharing.
I don't know who are. It's okay, nobody know. You know, do you know what they call dollars? This is dollars. Eh? No, don't touch it.
Dollar?
Yes, $100. Dollars.
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 No,
not dollars.
It's a hard currency. No,
not dollars.
Help me. Gifts.
Dollars.
My others, what I brought, so you start from there. You start from there. Drink. Came only for the name, you know, Gift. Inside. Take them inside. Take them inside. You know, Miri is life.
Water.
You know, Miri is life. So you need to
need water for you. So yes, you need water. You need water for you.
I told
you need thinking well. Really stupid. You need thinking well. Come and drink.
Ubaka, what be the bike where they use the guy with this? Why you can't drive Okada now?
It is my Okada. It is my bike. Is it your business? It is my business to worry about it.
No. This Okada is not supposed. This one no fits the match at all.
Oh, they go.
This is the real one here.
Obiak Junction, how much?
300.
159 again. Now 150 I go give you. 150 they go.
150 they go.
You dey spoil our business.
150. Enter.
Come. This guy dey spoil work here. Eh? Ubaka, you go take time. No come here again.
You're not good now. You're not come now.
If you go once if you go no get see a dear. Chukwa dem Natasha, turn by turn. Oh yeah, little, did I lily turn by turn. God have justice here.
What of your mother? I go to your shop. No.
That's true for a parent.
Hi. I'm very hungry.
What happened?
As you see me now,
it's a matter of
eyes is turning me. I told her to go on age. She refused. Let her to eat. It is not that our destiny killers. Obaka PLC.
Obaka, it's okay. That's anything.
If come, even if it's the one that I'm here, get it. So let me go.
Stay away from me. You don't have any right to tell me to stand.
I have right over you. I'm your husband.
I will shout. Oh.
Shout! Let everybody hear. Shout! Ada, shout! Shout! They all know that I'm your husband. I'm married to you. You are married to me. Shout!
Now, it is very obvious you have lost it. I am sure you lost your sense of time while you were in the prison. Oh. You're a madman.
Oh, you call me madman. And then you call me madman.
You're a madman.
Wait, I will show you madness. I will show you madness. Oh, I thought you're not anywhere. And since I came back from the prison, I have not exercised my right on you as a husband. You have been pushing my under below. Now, Ada, as a man, I need my woman. Ada. My time, my heart, every day I spent on that girl, and she put her money to say I'm an ex-convict, a murderer. Me!
You are bothered. What is it?
Mama, can you mind that fool? That idiot that I picked on the gutter. I gave her a life. Made her the idiots of all girls in this village. And she opened her mouth to say that she doesn't seem happy to see me around her.
But I warned you. I warned you, Cheta, but you never listened to me. They are the family of gold diggers. They specialize in ruining people. Okay, look at what they did to you. You don't even know if they are the one that brought the in-law for you.
I won't let this happen to me. No. Oh, I don't listen as my wife. I'm a wife, she will remain. This is Steve, they'll do us part. We enjoyed my wealth together. And this situation, we enjoy it together. We stay together. Mama, is it true that Adolisa returned my bride price?
Yes.
Hey!
Indeed, they came here early morning with some money and brought it to your father. Your father insists she do things the right way, but she refused and dropped the money on the floor and left.
That's not my business. That's not my business. So long she didn't return the money the right way, I married her legally. She didn't return the money according to our traditions. She's still my wife. She's still legally my wife. Adolisa is my wife.
Cheta,
Mama,
I've told you. I've warned you. Leave this Adolisa alone. I never liked her for anything.
Oh, Mama, you must not like Adolisa. She's my wife. I love her. That's all. Excuse me.
That boy is so proud. How much does he have that he think nobody in this whole community has gotten before him? How much?
Imagine it's enough yesterday. That small boy of yesterday. Anyway, I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all.
Ude, I knew we made a terrible mistake for going to see that small boy simply because he was sharing money to people. It was a terrible mistake. You know, just imagine. Just look at the way we dragged our self-esteem, self-respect through the mud. Yes. Oh, I was ashamed of myself. And it was because of you. You, this Unzewi.
It is alright.
It was your fault.
It is alright. It is alright.
Excuse me. No. Why are you saying it is my fault?
It is alright. We don't have to quarrel over spilt milk. It has happened. It has happened. Let us go.
Wait. Is it not you that dreamt of that stupid idea? This your coconut head. Oh, Doyo, you cannot. I know nothing good will come from this your empty head.
Ude. If that whole thing had worked, this one, with Yebu Mbiambia, he would have gone to his usual place to stay. You think I don't know?
Chere. Usual place? Yeah. Now, you will tell me the usual place today. Enough of this gossip. Now tell me, what is the usual place you are referring to? Tell me.
I will tell you. No, wait! I will tell him. If this whole thing had worked out, you would have been in the challenge. You think that the leg that move fem, the eye that move fem, sees it. You would have been there.
So, among all your body parts, it's only this your eyes that you can see fem. Tell me, what were you doing in the challenge? How did you see me? In fact, is your daughter working there?
It is your daughter that is working there.
You are talking to me?
Yes.
Me?
I don't fight. I am a daughter. Hey! Oh, billionaire.
Please calm down. Why are you here this early morning? What is the matter?
Your son Ezenna is the problem. Yes. He has poisoned our children. Right now they are fighting for their lives at the village community hospital. Yes, Ezenna. Come out. Look here. I am innocent. I did not do anything.
We are not here for explanation. Save that for the elders. Ezenna, you must swear.
You must swear. Please calm down.
Whether you like it or not, you must swear.
I will swear. If that is going to convince you.
Fine.
Yes.
Now I'm going to the village square.
You're coming with us.
You're coming with us.
Come with us.
You're coming with us. Ezenna, let's go now.
Oh yeah. Let us go.
Let's go.
Please calm down. You will go with you. Please calm down. Calm down.
You are waiting over.
Calm down. Let him know.
You must go with us. Ezenna, do fast.
You must go with us.
Come on.
We are waiting though.
And if you delay, we will come there and drag you out. You must swear. You must.
Who is that? Lizzie? Why are you shouting like that?
Uncle Ezenna, the youth.
What do you mean by that? Uncle Ezenna, the youth. Did what?
Uncle Ezenna has been taken away by the youth. He is being accused of poisoning small children yesterday. They are taken to the village square.
That's not true. Ezenna cannot do such a thing. Who said? Who accused him?
I'm going there. You must stay here.
Wait. You can't do such a thing. Mama has to hear of this. Mama!
Wait. Let me ask. What if nothing happens after swearing to the goddess?
Then he's innocent.
Yeah.
Yes, he's innocent. Or are you doubting the powers of the goddess to protect her children?
Ezenna cannot be innocent. That boy is capable of doing many things. How do you explain that he suddenly become rich and he's coming to the village to throw up so much money?
Nana, look, let me tell you. When the gods want to help a man, they do not seek the consent of mere mortals like you.
It's okay. But let me also ask, how do we reconcile these two? Because it is not a mere coincidence.
At all. It is not. But let's watch out. Very soon, we shall hear something.
Hear what, Nana? Hear what? Why are you like this? For God's sake, that boy is your brother's son. Why are you wishing him bad? Be careful how you wish people bad, though. If not, the gods will strike you dead.
Of course, yes, strike.
Amuzu.
Are you new in Jerusalem?
You have not heard the gist about Billionaire. You have not.
Billionaire is guilty, so he deserves to die.
Ego, it is you that will die. Did you hear me? You die first. I don't even know why you hate Billionaire so much. What is your stress? When he was poor, we all know that it is because he was a poor man. That was why you hated him. Now that he has made money. What is your stress? Can you make it?
So, would you said me will die.
First.
It's you that will die. It is you that will die. See, don't insult me. Don't insult. Don't even try it.
If she does, what will you do? If she does, what will you do? Please go and hide. Or else we'll beat you up here. Don't get to work and like now, right here now. As if your girlfriend's husband would do what Billionaire would have done for us in this community. Oh, rubbish. Ask her.
Anyways, I don't blame you girls at all. I blame myself for stopping here to talk to low lives like you. Meanwhile, you're not even my class. So I don't know why I should talk to you in the first place.
Ego, come. Class without level. Shame on you, Ego. Look at you. You went to school, right? What are you doing in this village? Roaming about in this village like a fool.
Are you willing to swear by Ogugwago that you are innocent of the accusation?
I am ready to swear. I am innocent.
Step in here. Repeat after me. If I am guilty.
If I am guilty of what they accused me of.
Let Ogugwago strike me dead.
Let Ogugwago strike me dead.
Go back.
Well, let's go.
Why are all these things happening to me? Why? Everybody now thinks I'm guilty. My hands are clean, for God's sake. My hands are clean.
My son, allow God to fight for you. He's a righteous God. He's the father to the fatherless. As long as you're innocent, it does not matter what anyone thinks. Oh?
Mama, do you think I'm capable of doing what they accused me of?
Ezenna, my son, life has taught me a lot of lessons. Life has equally dealt with me harshly, but I've never lost hope, and I will not lose hope. You may be a lot of things, but my son is not a murderer. You are not, so don't worry. God will take control. Oh? Oh?
Mama, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. We can now go.
Who is here? What is that? Barking like a dog. Audrey?
Hey, Ndidamaka.
I'm sure you heard what I said.
Did I just hear you call me what?
Mad dog.
I don't blame you. No. I don't blame you because I washed my beautiful legs to step into this your hopeless home.
Hey!
You had the effrontery to insult me. I don't blame you.
It's not legs. Because you got them. Which one? This one's. Hey! My friend, please. Please, just get out of my house.
I came to warn you and your imbecile daughter. Be very careful
with my son.
Which son?
Be very, very careful with my son!
Which son are we talking about? That he goat? Eh? My friend Pikokolu Silo. You call my daughter imbecile. That is what your son is. Listen, let me ask you. Is marriage by force? Is it by force?
How much what is your nomenclature?
Hey, Osupia!
0 equals to cannot. Capital cannot. That's what you are.
Nomenclature cannot.
Yes, that is what you are.
You have forgotten you used to come last in class.
And so what?
So nomenclature, that's the only thing you picked up from that school. How much what is your word for nomenclature?
Didi Amaka, I know that your daughter might not be important to you, but remember, Cheta is my beloved son. Be careful.
Your son is a murderer. Do you even know why he went to jail? Your son murdered his girlfriend in his city house. Are you aware of that? Ineko, my special son. Do you even have a special son? Wait, I hope people are not into ritual, both of you. Because it might be you that would send him to go and behead people. Oh, is that what you wanted to use my daughter for? Oh, wow, I like it.
Okay, I've heard you. But remember, my son was set free because he was vindicated.
No!
So don't think it's because of he did this, he did that. That's not why I'm here. Why I'm here is for you to be very careful. You and your daughter. Oh, that's just why I'm here.
Mama, you will never change. You're always so loud and everything. Get out of my compound, can you?
If not for one thing, I could have shown you that I'm a man.
If I fall upon you,
Anyway, I don't have much to say.
No, you won't.
But let me tell you, whether you like it or not, my son must marry your daughter.
My daughter will never marry your son.
Let's bait.
My daughter will never marry your son. Okay. Respect. You don't even know what I'm doing for you. My daughter came to your house to lift you people up. If you ever now say, I'm
Nurse, how long are we going to stay here before we see the doctor? We've been here all this while.
She's busy. Patience,
Mama, good day, ma. This is you?
Wait.
What?
Chichi.
Mama, good day.
How are you,
I'm fine.
What are you doing here?
Really? I should be asking you that. What are you doing here? This is my office. I'm the doctor here.
Excuse me. Is the doctor taking care of this place?
Yes. Am I not the doctor here?
You are.
You see?
Wow.
How are you? Good. Thank you. So you got back and you didn't tell me.
My dear, don't mind me, so much running around, business here and there, making money.
Look at you. I'm so happy to see you. Mama, you look so good.
Yeah.
So, what brought you here?
Some children we have brought here. So, maybe this is that.
Oh, those kids. They got affected by food poisoning.
Poison?
How? Listen, well.
Food poison?
Yes, food poisoning.
Who could have poisoned them? How?
Okay, it's fine. It's nothing serious, okay? Food poisoning can be caused by a lot of factors. Unclean environment, contaminated food, expired food, spoiled food, or even fake food. So, it's not what you think.
But how come it affected all the children I gave something? How come?
Yeah, that is possible. Probably because you bought the same item for them. And that item might either be contaminated, spoiled, expired, or even fake. But it's okay. Do you remember where you bought it from? And when you bought it, did you check the expiring date?
I didn't check, but I know the pack must be lying down somewhere in the compound. But gift my sister was a person who went to get those gifts, so she must know where she bought them from.
I know where she bought it.
Oh, Mama, you do?
Yes.
That's fine. It's okay. It's nothing to panic about, okay? We already started treatment on them and they're improving very fast. But we need that evidence to actually prove to the people that you didn't try to kill their kids. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so would you like to see the kids?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, but one more thing, please. We need those evidence to prove that you didn't try to kill them.
It's okay.
Very important that they were actually wrong because you know things like this happening.
You're sure you bought those things from this shop? From this shop?
Yeah, she came.
Oh, so you're the cause of the problem I've been having. So you're the cause.
I don't understand.
How? You're finished.
Everything you have here is fake.
You're finished.
No.
Everything is expired, contaminated. Oh my God! What?
No.
Has it expired or not?
That's bad.
Please don't be angry. I bought it from Obaka.
What's from Obaka?
Obaka Yebuta.
Okay.
Obaka will kill you today.
You
Please don't be angry. I'll pack everything. No worries.
Don't move. Stay there.
Please.
Hey,
Hello, DPO.
Don't move. Don't stay there.
Yes, this is Dr. Chichi.
Madam, it doesn't go into that. Please.
Yes, exactly what I told you. I'm here. Please come with your men.
Auntie Ada.
Auntie, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine though. There's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how to say it.
Say whatever it is you want to say. I'm all ears.
Auntie, this thing I always have to say is that it don't look like I'm a gossip.
May say talk now. What is it?
Auntie, I saw Uncle Ezena and Chichi walking and talking. Not only talking though, even romancing, touching each other.
What? Wait, you saw Ezenaya and Chichi touching and holding hands? I don't understand. Where?
At Solomon's supermarket. Maybe they went there to get one or two.
Ezenaya took Chichi shopping. Where?
Chichi.
Chichi? So this is it up, yeah? Mr. Wadro, Monsieur, thank you very much for this information. You have done a good job. Thank you.
Let me just have to go into my shop before she takes me. You know,
don't worry, let me get you something. Thank you very much. But always keep an eye on them.
That one is settled, I will. I will. Auntie Ada.
After careful investigation into the matter that led to the hospitalization of our children, they come to conclusion that Ezena here is totally innocent of all the accusations levied against him. The children ate snacks bought from Solomon's store. We have come to plead to you, Ezena.
Listen, to err is human, to forgive is divine. Yes, I have come to apologize to you for the humiliation you took upon this. Yes, sir. May I also use this opportunity to express my joy and happiness to my daughter, our doctor. She was so helpful all through the period.
Thank you, my father. May I also use this opportunity to educate you about food poisoning. Food poisoning can be caused by contaminated, spoiled, expired, or toxic. And the symptoms of food poisoning are cramps, headache, fever, name it. So I want to use this same opportunity to beg you to please make sure you check the NAFDAC number of anything you consume. The expiring dates, the manufacturing date, it's very important. Because whatever happens to you happens to me. You're my brothers, my sisters, my mothers, my fathers. So whatever happens to you happens to me. Please, I beg you, we all have to be careful.
Chichi, thank you very much. She's gone. Okay? It's okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll go. Bring the wood and man. Everything said it's okay. It's okay.
Listen, I've heard all that you said, right? When she comes back, I will relate everything to her. Whatever she says, I'll get back to you.
Thank you very much, sir. I wish she accepts my proposal. And I would like you to put it in words.
Well, I know she has the capability to decide on issues that concern her. After all, she's the one marrying, not I.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Ezena, be rest assured that whatever happens, I still see you as my son. After all, you know I've been treating you like that, like my own son. Alright, so no problem. Everything will be fine. Oh, you are beautiful. You see, today, I am happy and I am sad. You know why I'm sad? My wife, her mother. Oh, I'm sad because she's not here to physically witness this ceremony. However, I know she will be happy wherever she is because of what is happening today. So I am happy. Chichiwang, yes, Papa. Your bride prize has been received in peace. It's from me, eh? And I want you to take this one. Go and show us that man who is bold enough to take you away from us to spend the rest of his life with you. Huh? Let me take.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, my beautiful daughter.
Hey! So this is true. Husband snatcher! So this is true, Chichi?
I don't, stop it. I loved you, but now I'm in love with another. Okay?
No.
This is my wife.
No, she cannot be your wife. I am your wife. Remember we have a child together. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I was hypnotized or something. Please don't leave me. Dingy, our son. He wants to see you, please.
Lisa, go on and being hypnotized. Okay? As for our son, I'll come for him.
Because of Chichi. Eh? You! I will come for you! I swear I will come for you! You shall see!
My lord. Chichi, kneel down, let me bless you.
If you go see a dear, if you go no see a dear, Jukwaje Natasha, turn by turn. Oh, you little, today you lily, turn by turn. God have justice here. What will I have done? I wasn't there to do. I don't know what to do. When I joke with my gosh, I'm a millionaire. Joke with a camania. I'm a millionaire. Obodo ne kweze na ya. It's now a millionaire. Abuzu kweze na ya. Abuzu kweze na ya. It's now a millionaire. Mama. Money not get enemy. If you let go, I will go enemy mancha. I'll put my one favor. You go, or the go will enemy.